Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have Rosealee, my people. I clap back at mackerel. Cause you know say Rosealee, say mackerel and the woman where mess up her thing for go UK, them a friend or something. So she this mackerel too. Mackerel come respond and Rosealee rub out mackerel. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna share that with other people. Also I have mackerel and this Rosealee. I think after Rosealee respond after what Mackerel say, Mackerel come give another response. So I'm gonna share that with you also. We also have anime people. Anna. I said boy, Annie I tell BLI, you see me? So I'm gonna share the latest with Anna and Red Ants expose Annie and analyze them. You see it? So we have also Shibada people. I respond to Rosealee because Shibada did have him opinion on the situation, the UK situation with Rosealee and something. So Rosealee rub out Shibada. They go share that with Onu. Zine, Blinga and our people them also talk about the Annie situation. Seeing people say some people say them don't believe Annie and some I say them believe. So we are gonna get into that also. So these are the things I have to share with you guys. Maybe I add more things as we go on. So make we get in it, my people.
The clothes look like say I got your bed. That is basically a marina. That is basically a big marina, not your size. I always that dress. And the whole boot where the inner the closet from Wapi kill the fill up because whenever they see the fight, you have on, you never look good. So not even when I got England or Syria party around you never look good. Clap that. Not even when I got Serena party with Roger, they never look good. I had the only one stay bad out of the pack. Clap that. I want to look a bit tiny. When me big and humongous and I pair jeans me wear, cause that's all can fit me pair jeans. Only can't wear anything, I don't ever stay real bad. Clap that. What that if you got clock? What kind of levels me if you in? I don't care putting myself together in a dressing. I don't ever stay bad. Clock that. That's if I got clock. Yeah, come on. So you want to come out and show the audience your deep throat. Cause fuck ever keeping them because you're the only girl who is so wide. You're the only girl who see a talk for your crib. You can't see your throat back. You are the only female for me bad out of lavering crutches. When you attack, I can't see that your throat back. And me I come to about levels. What kind of levels you depend on you broke? What kind of levels you depend you can't keep a man? What kind of levels you depend when you go embassy and get the visa them if on a party promoter call no can't fly? What kind of levels is that? Why would I want to get a 5 or a 10 year and fling my book and waste? Clap that. Why would I want to get a 5 year or 10 year and sit in my book and waste? Because I only travel one time on it. Because I'm not going anywhere because I don't have money to go anywhere. You have money to go anywhere? You have money to go anywhere? You don't have the money to go anywhere, mate. You take it on house earner. So where you go? Clap that. I don't know what kind of levels me on if I don't have too good suit of clothes. When you wear size extra small, I never take it on and not buy enough. Because where you wear my apartment, I never see no girl. The girl I'm gonna live down, I see them look like you. Clap that. The girl I'm gonna live nowhere, I see them look like you. Because some girl will go apart when I live nowhere at all. I catch them catch. And I look like you. You don't look good. You stay real bad for your girl who wear extra small. Clothes easy to fit you. You can throw. And a whole back clock make your clothes. You stay real bad. And on my part alone, you stay bad. When I got England and Serena party, I rather them. You stay real bad. I must a candy and diamond, me say. Come out, wowing. I got diamond at girl still. I put in with blood clot diamond, cause diamond woman will know if I put on her clothes. Boy, yeah, clock. I'm not gonna, just not gonna away. Simple. When you come over here so far and I make you sweat up. Why you come over here and I sweat up? Why you come over here and I sweat up for? Me not gonna, me just not gonna away. Me not have no problem. Me can't try back embassy anytime. What the problem? Me not gonna, me just not gonna away. As you come and say, I don't know who's wearing a fear, who's on you don't have two good suit of clothes. Because you stay bad as sip and paint. The girl them troll you in the comments and I got to say your visual impaired, you can't read. I got to say you're blind, you couldn't see you can't see the comment because you're blind. The girl them class in the comment section, they stay real bad. I will put stamp because you got England, you got Canada. I will put your book stamp right out, I'm going to still wait for you. Clap that. Phone book well stamped out. Phone book well stamped out. I'm gonna see what do for you. Clap that. Una take on the money and take the regular flight. Gone away. Clap that. Una have no money for take the regular flight. Gone away. Clap that. But you talk about clock. Clap that. Una book well stamped out and you can go through immigration free. I wanna take on the money wanna have. Go book a regular flight and go nowhere. A promoter if you keep party a call you know. And if no promoter no call for the party, it's still the book and vanish right away. So as you get it, that's so it come out. Voop. Voop. Cause everyone get 5 years on the trial upon it this year. And nobody no call you know that year, it just vanish right out. Everyone get 10 years. Everyone get 10 years. And about no call you, it's still at the book of me call you nah use no owner money and got nowhere. Clock that. And I just go clock. I mean I want you. Me not go nowhere. It should be my problem, not yours. But you just want to hear girl don't fall. You not ready yet. You just want to hear girl don't fall. You come on the internet, you come chat about it and beg 2 diamond. One scream alert. I mean, you know what kind of levels you think that me and you could have in a. You ain't no levels along to my time with that. But one of the people realize says, mackerel a long to get about. Say if I just have own house, say, thank God. A long to get about, long time. You're the first that entertain a girl. We fly out. A long time, you about long time. Century of you. And you just a one house. Some of the people that make me make my chance. So go take my century, I'm gonna make my house, and go take my century and go travel. But egg but oh, what? Mr. Blinga call my phone, Blinga call my phone, final. Come on, keep no cold case, you know. Because you can't question me. Mr. Blinga call my phone and Blinga, if you know, say it's a one-man band. You can't keep no cold case with me because you can't question me. They're on upon a clock. Where your clock? Where your clock? Where your clock? You ever hear me ask people, ever hear me ask with them if them get promotion them for carry me? We are clock. So you come by and say you live in a house and I show your house. You know, see you can't get two diamond. You know, see that? You blind? You see, you 27, you own a don't fall on a house earner. And girl, we are working on live now, we are put money in your pocket. Then you could have thrown my gift key, your house earner. Or clock that. I don't want someone to come hype and boast and girl and come along. Yesterday, I not cook pan cold stove. I not cook pan, well, me I cook pan it and want man want me, no man no want you clock that. Me a cook pan cold stove and I do my baby father. I breed. I have a one man breed me each time me breed. I remember say, me no shape good like Uno. But me a good as Uno. Cause one man breed me 4 times, clock that. Uno have whole heap of baby father and none of them no like Uno. I would want to tell you listen to my krill. But look for your baby father, clock that. Over them breed you and let him no come back. Clock that. Clock that. Go look for your man when I go post at top side of you. Clock that. Remember the man I got stand up side of and kiss you, clock that in no way. Clock that. Remember any man I got grind on, I got hide and grind because you ugly. Clock that. You know some ugly set of species that were born in the world. You know nice looking. Clock that. So me got to tell me about immigration for. Then your baby father will let you never know so you could have travel. Clock that. And him still run. Clock that. Man I run for one and come tell girl about travel. So all of the world where you travel, you could meet a nice man traveling. Clock that. You go all about, the man of the all about. Clock that. We say you're lonely. Clock that. You travel go all about over the whole world. You know, see a nice man will like you, the ugly self. Clock that. How the two creature? I tell you already now, my krill, I peanut them for chop and put on a cage and you say I don't want to tell you but your family them. You your whole generation for trying to put it in a cage with padlock and key and throw a peanut pound and sell it for amusement. Clock that. I don't know what kind of levels you depend. Are you broke and hungry? What kind of levels you depend? Are you a wannabe? What kind of levels you depend? Are you naked? What kind of levels you depend? You don't hold 2 good suit of clothes. What kind of levels? You got England the last time. We said mighty God of the mackerel couldn't do better. And you come and go. Maya sip and paint. And we are tell us, no sir. When we see the dress and the boot, some of the girls say, boy, the dress could have wear still. But the boot is a no. One and a clock if you have clothes. Travel and go buy 2 set of clothes, clock that. Travel and go buy some good set of clothes, clock that. One not travel if you have clothes. One stay about in any lifetime. I want to look a bit and tiny. Size, when you buy small, I have to take it in, can you size extra small. 3 centimeter clock make phone clothes and you never look good yet. What kind of story me if you know? Mackerel at 3 centimeter.
Yeah, so people, wanna tell me who cannot move around? Tell me in the comment section who cannot move around, who Rosealee at this, who Rosealee at talk. Seen? And people, we not lie, if you get certain visa, airport for you see, you for explore, you for go on vacation, you for do them. You see me I say? I want to you one. So with mackerel and our people, we can't see with mackerel in our way because mackerel have responsibilities, and when mackerel get the Canadian visa, I don't know if she still have it same way. Nothing else did go on for her like that, so she could like fly out on a regular. I don't know if I want entry she get to go to the UK, but me not interested in another UK visa. UK they too far and UK look boring. So anybody get UK visa, I don't feel like say them are going to use it that much. You know what I mean? Canadian visa, I don't feel like people use that much either. But if them get the America visa, or you know say America the epicenter of the world. Everybody want to go there. So all different type of things there. So if you explore and enjoy. You see me? So me don't feel like them two other visa there. You see it? Because we only count in Jamaicans only count 3 visas still, you know. But we count 1 more than the rest, the American. You see me? The Canadian, as me say, no only for travel now go on that now the UK. You see it? But let me know what you think with people, because Rosealee is not an easy person. Your Rosealee is a mackerel more deep and wide to blood clot. You see you mackerel always up in the camera and a chat. So the camera zooming down mackerel throat and mackerel a chat.
Clock 3 centimeters, you had a clock make your clothes. You never look good yet. Go clock that. You come in your one room. You come in your one room where you can get up and go to the toilet and still back. Every day you want to come argue with me. Every day. I can't tell you about cold stove. Mackerel own stove you can't cook. Go clock that. At your own stove you cannot cook. Go clock that. Mackerel you girl was shit in a bucket. Rice control that say the toilet didn't say you're shitting at the bucket and you don't want to get up. What clock that? So we shitting at the bucket that kind of story with me. You know somebody man? Remember the first man on your mouth your bumbo mackerel was a mad man. Me I want to be afraid of gunnage and scratch and itching. Go clock that. We are coming a story and doing every day you know look good. But mackerel me not see as a threat and you know ready. You know up to date, you know ready. You understand? My criminal says a threat. No, the girl on social media, I'm not so much because I'm not ready. I'm not up to date, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not have no bed. I'm not have no bed. I'm not have no bed. I'm not have no bed, can't room move around like myself. Back to girl who have stove and can't cook. My RS, them day. RS, my $500 may have me in tears. For your clock. Oh, this is $2,000, I give me it. Come tomorrow, I give me the rest of broke. Come here, send him out. Clock that. This all I keep my man for. I will not come and tell, oh yeah, man, nope. Me and Drake Stefan bumping and daughter days. For me at 20, you know, I'm here on the level, you know. Me on the level. Me and Drake Stefan me at 20. I know me at 32, go clock that. You never keep a man for not even a couple seconds because I'm hungry, ugly. Man, time to start up a show every night. You might take it. You're drunk.
Hungry.
Hungry, now go cook. Go catch a cold stove. Go catch a cold stove, because over there talk about. And then I cook pan, go catch it. Cynthia, 1 pan of coal. Come on, what kind of levels? What kind of levels me on in a life is what to make it. My treasure. Life is what you make it. And from you at the aim for what you want, that me know. Because someone have stove in the house and it take months and decades to light it because you not light it. It dead right now because you not like it. You not like it, mackerel? You have stove in your house without a kitchen, fine. It take months and decades for you light it. Because number one, the pity them way for cook for you give them way. And you don't have a time for cook for yourself because you have to on the life every day I beg. So your gas still has spare for months. Clap that. Me never saw no go to the kitchen and say, okay, today I cook some rice and pillar and oxtail with baked chicken and steamed vegetable and blend up juice. I pay you fry one piece of egg, 2 bread, and one ensure. Me never see you going in the kitchen to cook some serious meal yet. For your girl who want to come talk about levels or clock. Pay such as an egg, ramen noodle, at and go. At and go. Me never see you going in the kitchen and say, I'm going to sit down and cook some serious meal. One ramen, fried one egg, and that's it. Girl go learn for cook. Go learn for cook, miss. Go and learn to cook. And if you can't cook, go and let somebody cook for you. Then cream or repart on easy sitting. The ingredients up on the box. Once you take out the cream, once you boil up the water, take out the cream or wheat box and throw it in and throw it and spin it around. It's not easy for cook. Huh? When I talk about the cream or wheat box and throw this in and and I have to go for nasty blood clot. You don't want to see me and fast with me and you know here talk about immigration and this and that. Like say we not whole argument with people about immigration and you know feel what it feel. You know, you would never feel like if you have a man by your side. We are gonna want you for you. And when you're ugly. You will never feel what they feel, Mackerel. To have a man side you gonna want you for you. And when you're ugly, you will never feel how it feel. You will never feel how it feel. So if me can experience. You will never feel how it feel. But have a man side who will hug you up and caress you and kiss you up for your lifetime because you're ugly. And if me that travel the world, me that have to find one handicapped foreign man. Through me a handicap, I'm retarded, but I have to look for a retarded man like myself married who want me. And the two we have Down syndrome, I like, welcome to the camp. We are clock, go beard. Go beard, boy, you clock. I'm here on the levels. What kind of levels are they on?
Alright, my people, Mackerel can't cook, you know. Mackerel can't cook. Our boyfriend did come and tell the people them say she can't cook already, you know, man. They see me. So we all know say Mackerel can't cook, and every time we see Mackerel say she a whip up something or some egg and frankfurters. I just that alone Mackerel deal with. You see me? Simple thing, easily can cook. Me I wonder if Mackerel just because she grew up and her mother visually impaired, so she don't really see her mother cook, so there's nobody to learn how to cook from. You know what I mean? Or maybe because she did grow up maybe privileged or where she have helper. I think Mackerel did have helper, you know, my people. But if you have helper that show you around the kitchen same way. You see me? I don't feel say no woman for the way can't cook with people. No, so it don't look good. If a woman can't cook, that is not a good look. You know what I mean? But we understand because Mackerel have a vision problem. You understand? So we not gonna expect her if you can cook that much, but you have to learn to even can deal with some rice, deal with some flour. This simple basic thing. You know what I mean? Maybe the oxtail and the cow foot and them something there well we give my pass for that, but you have to can learn to shake out a mackerel or something. You know what I mean? Let me know what I think with people.
Mackerel, what kind of levels are they pan? Your auntie have one piece of land, you get 25,000 make one house. You're not in the hot water, she take care of fight. You're not make up back the pan it. What kind of level is that? You build one room pan it? At that level you talk about? Mackerel, my father have 9 acre land or down at St. Elizabeth. Yeah. What do you make a St. Elizabeth in Pike? Him say, sit down there, so. I want that. My father dead left to give me seat there. You see me a company to come talk about that? Eh? The world is so invested in what I'm doing. It's crazy. Because if a girl now if a girl apply for go somewhere, guys in England you know still support Killer Filler Party, please. If me and a girl a friend and a girl now gone away, me not come on no story with her. But you know say are you Ku Klux Klan with the woman for sabotage the trip, so you run out like dog and a sweat. Out of everybody, so I be a top man. Are you tell woman a Friday what she ride? I am a woman a friend. Remember good now? Are you tell woman to do that, man? Because you are a friend. Are you a friend? You see you run out? And you don't want to say too much because you don't want to blow your cover. You say you run out? I am a woman a friend. Yeah. Cause me I say me never want to talk about it. I say me want done with it. But I still want done. Me no want to talk about it. Me no want to talk about it, you know. Because if me express how me feel and how you write something for sabotage me, you are going to text my phone and going to make me know say it's what kind of sabotage me I talk about. You don't fuck with people, so people not supposed to fuck with you. What that mean? Where is that straight you send me? What that mean? What that mean? Remember, you know, people never come here, come call any name, you know. Me just forward the message on it like I assume me just forward the message on it like. Me not understand what you mean. How long you never want to correspond with me? For text and them way there, I know you are text me like for what reason? Me never call a name. I never call your company name. So if you know say you not sabotage me, why you text me? Are you guilty? Guiltiness now. Them say when you make a conscience set, you free, pray hard. You know exactly what you do. So you run for text my phone. All along when you have my passport, you never run for text my phone. But today, I see you run for text. But I don't, people must say barely 2 words, me look. I just send her my balance. I just screenshot my balance I have now and say that. I say, look at this. Today, me look at this and today is Thursday and the week not done yet. So me alright. You understand? Look at my balance. And today is Thursday. So me alright. Me alright. The payment, I don't know one bag of money on our pay. You never have a sabotage it because at your agency you put 1,000 upon the people say 1,000 me get for pay. So I like so and I like you put $1,000 upon the paper, start $1,000 US me I get for pay. So I like so one bag of money me I left me hard for. So you should just remember take the experience I want do for my kids. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I don't want bag of money. I don't want bag of money you put on it. So me I get to pay $1,000. You understand? I don't want bag of money you put. I don't want bag of money you put on the paper. And I'm not even what you tell me about you put on the paper. And I can't come and say house $1,000. I can't come and say house $1,000 what I give. Every for the week. 200 today, 200, 100, 50, 50. When I do, I have 1,000 in my balance. So that's the one to look at experience. So I like say me I give me an arm and a leg for sabotage me. You understand? Me never call your name.
Yeah, my people, we not lie. Sabotage go on this when it come to Rosealee and the UK visa thing. Yeah, man, them sabotage her, man. Because you see, even the money part where they must say she make how much money a year time. Come on, Rosealee make way much more money than that, Bridget. And that you put on it, come on, them sabotage her, man. And that's why you have to know who you deal with, you know, my people. Because people see you and like and don't like you, you know, for whatever reason, you know. You see me? And them any chance them get to make you know what I mean? If you sabotage you or do something bad to you, they will. You see me? And for a professional person, like, no, I'm not going to say professional person because that was unprofessional. I wish she do Rosealee. You know what I mean? For a person, a business person, you want to make word of mouth be your recommendation. You want to make word of mouth be your advertisement. That are the good thing for you. If you make word of mouth work against you, you run a business where so mash up. Because if you're going to use your personal thing against a person to mess them up, you see me? People are going to say, oh, watch out, you want to make sure say everybody will come through your place at least a couple percent, you know what I mean? Well, the majority, them get through with certain things because you do your thing professionally and make them know certain things. You know what I mean? So what this person you do to Rosealee, that's messed up. Me not lie.
So you don't have to text them before like you want to send treat. Like me I come say something bad boy yo. All me I say out of my mouth is the truth. I'm not gonna dwell upon it, you know. All what me I say out of my mouth is the truth. And the truth will set us free. People, I don't care, I feel fuck up. Or you fuck me up. I know me I put in my blood clot, yeah. Gal and boy quarrel every day over here, so. Adjust to the kinds. Some people go deep on some. Some people go deep on some. Argument occur over here every single time. Over. Players and players catch up. Some go deep on some. All we are doing for the hype, the coins, and the fucking views. Nothing more. All we do it. But when you go sabotage somebody and pick them here and try to walk more and pay there for them youth, you're wicked and that me say. I mean I take it back. Because it cut me so deep. Because I really want the experience. I want to get the experience. Tell myself let me get the experience. I would assume me make to me add in them application. Make them get a visa to when them young. So I have it to eat me alive. I have it to eat me alive. It's so when so much something eat you. I have it that I couldn't hold it too long. You have to understand. I hold it too long. Some you know some so long I consume you. It's so long gonna consume me. I can't hold it no longer. I'm still on hold it, I go still on stress for days and depressed. More let it go and let know so I eat that. So me I say all of the people who buy the ticket for go to the party, still buy the ticket, still go. A holiday we can go and enjoy on yourself. When I'm my time for someone must see me, remember me love you know. All of the people who buy the ticket for go on. And who never buy them tickets, still buy and go enjoy on yourself a holiday a weekend. You never want to text me. How long you never want? I have my passport for months. You never want to text me. I own my company on the internet and say right. Say, I only make 200,000 a year. And I stay fine for 13 days. Your subordinate call you. I want your subordinate sit it and call you. I don't care. I the truth. I never call your name. And I never call a company name. I never come trade shades neither. I only say the person where you would rather sit in them. You sabotage me. A long time you do these things, you're business woman, a long time you do these things. And if you put on the paper say, me not have the money, and me I got foreign go spend how much in time, them not gonna make me come. Them not see what the reason for come and foreign and me not have no money. Them not see what the reason for spend so many time. I mean not have no money, them not see the reason. And you know this. So basically I just come and say just say a sabotage to me over here rip up your friend them. Come have time when I rip them up and just not here. Can't work me there. And the most algorithm sell, let me tell you, them should have slow and tell us, listen to me. You can't put people business where them got job for do. Work for better themselves with TikTok. TikTok are the most algorithm sell. Most algorithms sell over here. This is one different work. This is one different work. And the most algorithms sell over here. You know, see Vanya and Candy are called still them go pitney. And then them alright, then them a go. So we got to don't talk about kids. You're not gonna argue, and you're gonna argue there and argue there and argue with you. And when a girl can't find out more for Bonio, a girl go right down to the integrity and the season to the bone. And when you guys sit here and go like so, an idiot. It's common something. I straight I pitney them I go. Me know them I got pitney, you know. Me say one then watch them two bouncing rabbit I go right up pitney. When them don't talk about body, house, car, and nothing left, nothing going right up in the gun. I say, me will start at it first. Because we know we're going to eventually reach there. But show me not live nowhere, but start right this up first. But nobody go further. How you going to reach there? Because a word for word. So I got to tell you an utter word and an utter word. And let me tell you this. There is no saying that kids are half of them in a quarrel, not go so. Not go so. No limit, no, you know when you are quarrel. In these times, I gotta go right, but you know, go pinch your feelings. I gotta go right way to go pinch your feelings. So me start pinch girl feelings on the top. Alright, then them not go. I mean, I say when them ready, them talk about me and pick me. I look at this. I mean, I say nothing. Come on, alright, there to go. Them not start our fight first. No, one girl.
Alright, my people. So, more asking a question. This Rosealee say a while ago about kids not being off limit when it comes to cussing. That shows these people morals gone, standard gone, respect gone. You see me? Them no business. How can you say that? Me understand so them have a saying when them say all is fair when it come to anything goes when it come to love and war. You see me? So these people them feel like say, oh, from me and your inner things, nothing is off limit. But you have to have respect. You have to have self-respect at first, and you will respect other people. If you don't respect yourself, you're not going to respect nobody. I don't say you have to respect the youth, them, you know. But have something about you when it comes to the youth. Remember, say them are the future. Remember, say them are young and small. Protect them. You know what I mean? So if you will cuss a youth, a local picnic, or not do you nothing, that means you will do them things too. So nobody can trust them youth around you. Real people now go trust them youth around you. You know what I mean? And this to them go wrong when them bring the youth them in it. But this is a new era. You see me I say? And these people do whatever them feel like. Because there's no consequences for their actions. So them do what them want to do. And them say entertainment. Cause you hear Rosealee say, we come here, we cuss one another, and we do it for your kinds, So if you do that for your kinds only, and you don't mean nothing by it, why you go say I know say the youth them don't off limit? That means you're real cussing then. I don't know kind of not do it for whatever. Or the mean one not set up people. But this is just my analyzation of the whole thing Rosealee talk about the cussing and all of the something them. You see me? But more want to tell me what you think.
I just saying you shut up your mouth, I'm gonna lecture with this and make it burn you. Cause it comes to the mind. Everybody go deep. Everybody go deep. So true, Candy over here are quarrel with Van and they go picnic. That means that them do have a right for travel and go make themselves better. Van did cuss me about mine and me the cuss about fair and I never ban it. And see we are today. We make bygones and bygones and we go a long life journey. Destiny cuss me about my ones. Me make Destiny cuss me about my one. Tiki cuss me about my one. What people cuss me about my one? Me make bygones with bygones. I'm gonna go on for a life journey. That doesn't mean me go sabotage a person take a flight to better themselves. That not have nothing to do with your son. Your son have nothing to do with traveling. That not have nothing. Don't type share name Mr. Nikki. I forgot them. I forgot them. I forgot them. Type them names, I forgot them. Yeah. After you do what you do, I'm just come say a little piece of word that sitting. Yeah, text my phone, but what kind of sabotage? I don't fuck with people, so people not supposed to fuck with me. I don't fuck with people either. I'm just saying that your agency woman, I don't know what right for the people for me get through. And when you got right say, me only I make 200,000 a year. I mean I got the people them country go spend 13 days. I mean I spend so much. That is sabotage. Come over here cause your friend them. I don't know your friend who your friend them be. Because you'd have your friend them trip, you'd have your friend them trip, and you never write that for your friend them. So when you come on to me, I write that strictly sabotage. That's what it is. So I know why you text my phone, I send back the message. I know why you text my phone, I know why you need if you text my phone. Come in now, I go reply. If you text me, I go click on the message and block. Not even go block you. I go delete it. Yeah, they have gas.
Parents, brother, but didn't know the mother because I him daughter, the foreman never always like mother never talk.
So you want to tell me say after all this funeral and everything, Slacky and the mother don't them lose a child and them not come to no farm of
After the funeral, Stacky come out, come tell like say the woman who funeral home and see never pay the money and bring down be a judgment. That one piece of
Blinga one dirty father that one dirty father. One bagger father.
What is he looking? Like what does he want?
PM.
TikTok money, taps and roses, shoot chat, triple.
That's all he want.
So thank you, Lord.
Wallahi, thank you, Lord. If never come out, come say the funeral home, the woman who funeral woman have to come up and live, come explain for LA Lewis live. I never saw it go. Maybe no me a carry me.
Them want sure.
The person them who say like come up with Sasha. The person them who are saying is like come up with Sasha and Nana and Savage guys. Cause them up here tell lie.
And every day me care and I want it sometime in a member and all the time. Remember me see the mother have to come. See them as the true. The mother have to go over LA Lewis live go clear it up so the money never open Naya funeral. Where I say
yeah, because LA Lewis come out.
MD running, oi go.
All the take they come out too.
All right, Prince.
Remember we that listening?
Yeah, we that listening to our
Why
wife me a lie? Blessed lady, I same way oh your mama tell lie by your blood clot, pupa start inbreeder. I saw me up here tell lie. All I would tell lie.
So why the white lady did come out and I say she make plans with funeral home and one bag of something?
Anyway. And $700. I don't know why white lady say she sent $700. One big piece of mix up the money, them alone.
Not me continue player.
Chilling man not put in your game, but you want me alone have so much to do. You take him back, you don't come out.
Excuse me, him never learn because he should have stand up side of you. No matter who the side of you, him fit the side of you from.
Him then stand up, you hear the one of them talk about say. Him should have, me and the mother and the father should have. The father did not want to stand with me. The father chose to stand with strangers. The father chose to stand with some people who never give birth to my son. And at the end of the day, the one I know cuss na your mother. Or the cuss na your mother, I know cuss na your too. How can you cuss na your mother, I know cuss na your? Because you know more ask the father, you say you love the son so much. So when you look on the son, who you see? Who you see when you look on the son? So you can't hate the mother and love the son, there's a lion. You hate both of us. Yes. And that the argument done. Then we more clear to no. I mean, I touch take that money, but we contribute. And that one tell you no. Me only know say at times so me go put down the son for rest. So me don't want to no call me name. Call me name. Me not eat none. When I done that segment, I'm come back when I ready for Amari and several lad cause me never know say Amari now the money and she has several lad and baby Ezekiel and Destiny are sleeping at the car Bahamas. Alright.
Alright, Dennis,
receive Sasha.
Coco, big up yourself. Alright, chat, so come put some taps on the screen, get it to 100K. I don't know, perhaps where she get baby Ezekiel from? I think what the baby name?
What should I say? Lose all the so I don't know.
No, I don't
say Ezekiel Blinga.
Not come with it scoop, no. It's up to me because the people them come with the mix up instead of me bringing.
Listen to me, Blinga. I saw a screen recorded Mishak, Shedrak, and a Bendigo because
Mishak Ben Shagwak.
And Moses because Destiny in a fear turban. Anyways, Shamrock.
Come here.
Yes,
I don't know them I do a Bahamas again. I'm asking a question. A Bahamas, every lad live.
Them say police lock up.
Because I know why I beat Bahamas, every lad are married.
Yeah, police lock him up, Blinga. You know?
Which part every lad live? Him is a Jamaican?
Of course.
Of course, now you end come from.
So why my Amari always in a toss up in a Bahamas?
But what may I say to you now, Sasha? What you mean, so the people them are sleeping at the car? What are you speaking about?
I'm
gonna tell them.
Hey, my people, it look to me like say, now your father and mother, like back in the days when they used to there, some terrible thing go on with them. You know what I mean? So it make them not like one another for the longest while. Even now, when them should have come together and do what them a do, them can't come together because of that. You see me? So let me know what you think in the comment section about that. Alright, pertaining to this Amari situation and all my people. Boy, you know some of the things you like Amari I tell say she a breed until what day I see a video with she with her belly out a door. And people are still a say she not breed, you know. Me I wonder if you don't know when woman a breed. Look pan down at the bottom under the nail one string there so like you go see one little line. I say you know say woman a breed for real. You see me? Woman can have big belly that natural. If you eat too much and them waiting. But that not a big belly. That a pregnant belly. I'm over half a century, you know my people. You see me? Boy, I'm love breed still, you know me not lie. Wonder how Gully Bop never breed her. Blood clot. Well, congratulations are in order for your Mari, because enough people are saying she not breed for real. But she a breed people. Yeah man, she pregnant for real man. You know so she look different, she a glow. Yeah man, she a breed man. So make you watch some other people. And them I go talk about the Anna situation. So we'll watch this and then you know what I mean we hear that part.
No. But see a screen recording with the whole family. Meshach, Shadrach, Abednego, and Moses. Like a Destiny, cause Destiny ear wrap up. Destiny look like, yeah. So, Destiny in the back with Amari in the passenger seat with Abednego in her belly and Shadrach in the driver's seat, of course. Shadrach say Abednego don't have no money for rent no hotel. And in the car, the whole tribe asleep. Shadrach come out of the car and go fly the trunk for sure the whole of Abednego suitcase. Blinga, stop laughing, no?
Blinga, one night when I come over here, it me I tell you about in up on the beach side in a Blinga. It me I tell you about in a never see that green card.
Shadrach started to fight Abednego and then Bendigo ball out and say, remember I'm pregnant, remember Ezekiel. And then Moses run back, jumping at the fight. Stop laugh. Me can't.
Murder.
Yeah, me can't bring this up and laugh. Me gonna laugh. Me are serious.
I'm not laughing, you know. It's a screen record, you said?
Yeah. Shadrach, Shamrock. No. Bendigo. Misha come out of the car and fly up the trunk of the car and show the whole of Bendigo suitcase.
Oh, 50 of them, Blinga.
Eh?
Oh, 50 of them in a Blinga.
Yeah, one per suitcase. And then
one per suitcase in a Blinga.
Shadrach say,
all kind
Bendigo
of color.
broke and no money, but me feel like say Bendigo purposely don't want rent a manger for she and the whole of them rest. Me feel like say she be spiteful and I make Shamrock sleeping at the car.
So where was Seven Lord?
No, Shamrock. His name Shamrock. I won't name Shamrock. Meshach, sorry.
So that means say the name them changed then. Again.
So I say go. No, Meshach, Shadrach and Abednego.
Where is that screen record? Where did you saw it?
I don't know if I comment investigator, you know. No, it was on her page. because Abendigo went live. Abendigo was live when all of this are going.
And him a cuss her. And I say,
yeah, me shot in the background and say, you broke. You broke. You broke.
Money. But I tell you about it one night when I come up pay live, Blinga.
Shamrock and the baby, me Shaka as the man, and Abendigo is the mother. And Moses are the sister on her back.
Okay.
Top up the scream. At least we can do that. Top up the scream, guys.
Them say Anna red hands by car. Blinga.
Well, that's good. All right. So here what me have to say to Una now. It's a lot of cases because the thing about it is we did have Naya baby mother will come out and attack, but what me not understand, when you say the baby in a good hands and the baby gets support. How is it the baby getting support and there's so much he say, she say stuff going on and all these things? Somebody explain this.
And check up and say, Orenaya taking father.
Good night. That's the one thing and come down.
Grandfather come here and in my upgrade and they have the motless out of which them there and they give them their phone and they say, we're not see nobody else.
You want to say what?
Just want to say one thing and come down. Okay. Rosealee, wake up. Rosealee, wake up now and I cuss on her live.
Yeah, man, she can't turn the code. Back to when these people who want to
I'm not gonna say me a pick up for nobody or whatever. But you see when me know Zeba, Mrs. Zeba mother one time. But Mrs. Zeba mother the one time I'm gonna look for her. I never seen that. You do it for your want it. You know I got your father. Like you get not even none of them.
Look, basically what she said, she said no one checked on the baby since her dad's funeral. So was something supposed to happen? Was something supposed to be in place for people to check on the little girl? How this go?
I don't know. I hear say she get fair part of money and she said them thief it or it last. I mean I know. You know about she because she not look righted.
All right, this is kind of off topic. What I'm about to ask, this is gonna be off topic. 1 second, let me hear what's in there.
Hey, so the people know what they Amari them did go Bahamas and hell broke loose over there. So why this youth here go back again? Me I tell it to rascal, me feel like say these things Amari I do to get money still, you know. Yeah man, cause you know them social media personalities, yeah. Once them show say yo nothing nah go on certain way, some of them still, you know what I mean, them show say nothing nah go on and them in a situation money come in. So maybe that them I do, you see me, just for some money come in. You understand? Boy, may I tell you, me don't want to think me people. We go hear what Blinga them have to say, you know, about Annie.
She has said from Naya Berry, Naya mother, don't come look for the baby. Right?
Alright, so what is something what them did put in place for the little girl? What all of that
As Cantua she said them teeth it as she spend it.
She said them teeth it, Blinga.
She said them teeth it. Yes, you know, they know what them I do now. Them ear much in 5 million collect for Naya who rub up and who rub up. So you know what them I do now? Them I come use the baby. Yes, say the father not come back again. I'm reap him for reap. Half a Naya page. Right? So now them come up every day now, come on live now. I come now and I use the baby to get things. I don't know, people are going to sorry for the baby.
One different person with her life.
Every you know, people, you know, Naya was beloved and them something there. some me that like them every day. I beg. So like she said, they want to take the baby from her. What would I like to know when Naya was alive? Would I like me never see she in place yet? Always Naya alone with the baby and Naya come and talk about tablet and him something the weird word the mother all along. Them I use the little girl now. Them I use the little girl now to get things. And she come online now say from the little girl dead. Remember Naya mother is a working woman, like a office working. Right? And she live at Ola. Where she live at Ola, ba? And the mother live at
500,000 she getting a
500,000.
500,000 she getting a Blinga. Cynthia me na cut her. A 500,000 she getting a, and she say about it last in a Blinga. And you buy pitney suit was for $40,000 for half a sheen. You buy pitney clothes to wear go funeral.
Miss no clothes on the machine for $40,000.
And when the woman say me a repeat in a Cynthia.
That's true. People are idiot.
And when the woman say me a repeat.
But I know she's an ambassador for she.
And then me gone back. Because she just said something. And it could even, and it really makes sense, but I know them only I go look on it one way. So true, me over here, so me I look on it, or Blinga look on it. Blinga said, because she has said nobody no look on the baby since whatever, I don't remember. And Blinga said something, and it's true, like, look how much people.
100,000 I talk about it last. Come on. This is
That's why I say she a mad girl. Blinga.
Yeah? What do you mean by last?
And
that's why I say she a mad girl in a Blinga. That's why I say that to them.
When Savage up here and Preps up here and God's Child up here and Baddies, me not have to come up here. But me have to come acknowledge this.
Yeah, but you're right, Coco. Them now come to nobody else. Not a soul else them now come.
Because yes, we don't have a problem supporting, but me just say like, you know, what you say really makes sense. Like, you say nobody not come look. Little lady just bury her son, the lady probably tired.
She got back at work, took her working woman.
Yeah. So
she working at her face.
Oh God. And then just love to make people look bad sometimes. I say if it
You know something, Coco? Maybe I don't know, I'm just saying. Maybe she should have get the phone then. Bring that chat the little girl, you know? Because at least she could have come online and do Afta Rosealee and get.
Well, she could have been come online because sometimes all I need is just one little something.
Exactly.
She could have been come online and do what she have to do. This is what I'm gonna understand with some people, right? Them get a little bus. A bus can mean any little thing. Use it and multiply it.
And true, she got the highlight. She got the highlights of the baby.
Yeah, she could have taken her own alive. Her own thing.
As remember, I know that's good for her because remember, so we love the father, and the father have a baby. We are gonna love the baby same way.
Exactly, and everybody are gonna shoot because to
you have to help yourself, man. You have to help yourself. You hear me? Me attack and me feel like me hear about myself in your hollow. Blinga, you know already.
Yes, pretty.
In your hollow.
I saw you gonna worry about it.
Yeah, man, everything. Yeah. But me I say she get a highlight, she get a little bus, you know, do what you have to do. Like one little something, just multiply on it. You can't just sit down and just expect, you know, to get handouts, you know what I'm saying? And then one thing with Anna and whatever the case may be, is that for a real something? Can me just come on and catch a little party?
Yes, my love, studying, daughter I hit man for an alive mother to make this sad, so then you want to say, and this the internet gone too?
Then issue it up here, you know that, and bring her.
Me tell you, me tell you that Jamaica is not a real place.
Well, I'm gonna believe Anna. I'm gonna believe Annie. And if that's me can't believe. I feel like a lie she a tell.
Well, that is your opinion still. We can't fight it, but it not look good.
And she really tell lie on her daughter for
and she all come out and show who is supposed to live and I say them something there and I say no doing it on the house and them something there. Cynthia. I cried then the tears.
I know the bathroom can't fix for the house throw her money now for.
No, like no roofing and something and I say no do we are saying man come.
What happened to the $500 prep?
I want one room she do you know, remember she can't tear down one time.
And that me want know.
She buy things man, she more than the odd year.
Alright, my people, when it come to Naya baby mother, father, and mother, it don't look like none of them like each other. So I don't expect them to link up, but the youth supposed to hit a soft spot in them heart certain way with them. Supposed to check up on the youth. Me know say them been through everything what them been through, and you know what I mean, them late to rest them son, and you know what I mean, them maybe I go back to them normal life and I try adjust to them normal life and something. But you know what I mean, if you don't miss on the son, him look like the daughter look like him for our father. So me feel like say them feel really, you know what I mean, you know the daughter life certain way and make sure say, you know what I mean, even if we call and check on her and talk to her, cause a girl with sense too, you know. You see me? Me love what Naya brother do, me nah lie. Me see him every day upon him live with Naya daughter, like, you know what I mean, him step up and I play that same role that when Naya used to play in the life, because a son Naya used to have her upon live and I rap with her and something. Me love that. You know what I mean? She not gonna really miss her father that much. She gonna miss him, you know, but not that much with him there. Let me know what you think. What's some more?
I put some solitex up in the ceiling because the sink me I see this morning.
Yeah, at the sink me I see, and she attack, oh no do no dead, and she attack. Why she attack? So then, why them wicked still in a me? Why me not believe? Me no know what I believe.
No, mama. Remember saying that one room she have to finish. She can't just do one tear down because she said she not gonna live that way. When Jayden the year the 5 bills, she go hardware and show. And I said, Jayden, I think I lie me. I tell she do a video in the hardware. She buy some stuff.
Hardware and carry the things are my two different things.
True.
Yeah.
We never see them come up. Who just answered me a while ago?
No, but it's true. People don't
speak. Who answer me?
A Coco answer. But I don't lie. Because Coco know all the people them skip. We laugh now, but
you can do all you want. But did you bring this home?
True. 500.
Murder.
Blinga, you know much people are watching live.
Wicked. She gonna do a video when she bring them home. She never bring them home for two Coco.
Everybody, please, this should be 100K likes already. Over here is very nice. So.
Yeah, over here. Blinga, but just I go from live to live. Your live are the nicest live.
Yes, Cynthia.
Just a review certain things.
Alive are best ever.
No, I don't hear me. Me I go from me go and me can't be boring. Me have to come back and Blinga. I have to come back and bus.
Cynthia Rosealee here though.
No, Rosealee, I just see the text come up on my phone. No, don't. So good evening, everybody. The text come up on my phone. Rosealee here, now just come live. And our nails not do live. Just see the text come up on my phone as you talk.
The savage Rosealee over there at Coast Mackerel and say clap that.
But she not get the visa.
She don't
get the visa. She said the agent shake her up. Savage, what you hearing them?
Well, I know. We're going to go back to this.
Guys, everybody talk up this thing, please.
Listen, because you know the people them prank a lot and do the things, the promotion them brawling, me figure say I must prank, right? But if the ear not do good and the nails not do and you're left morning, that means that you're not go.
That not make no sense.
Exactly, because look, me I go to UK.
Them fuck her up, man. Them fuck her up.
Miss Blinga. Rose
no, man, them fuck her up, man.
Oh, Mackerel gets like this. Oh, Mackerel not a power, people.
Shame.
Yeah. That's why she come down for Mackerel, because Mackerel get the visa and she not get it.
Listen, what may I say? Me know said this man don't like clothes and everything, but we get that. But what may I say? What is the reason to do with this? I want to hear from Mackerel part. What kind of power Mackerel has?
No matter more than Rosealee ignorant and bad man say Mackerel get the visa and she not get it.
Because like the lady do all of them stuff like diamond stuff, Roger and whatever mackerel. So she and Roger good, so she not gonna pin that.
You see Olita with the real paper? Olita have the real paper.
And
the woman
Jake
fuck up
big old
Rosalie.
diamond. She
And then
said,
she
no,
said,
don't cost diamond. I like diamond.
So she pin it on mackerel.
Mackerel.
You know, she mackerel
And mackerel have
the
nothing to do with it.
Yes, but Preps, listen. This very mix up to me. I don't care how we say me slow. Them says that woman a look about the visa, right?
Same woman that do candy them one.
Alright, so that lady there will do that. You see that woman there will do the young lady
Candy, mackerel.
Roger.
Alright, so the lady will do it. She kind of like is a mess too, you know. Cause remember she did mess up for the other girl did mess up and redo it, you know. So them never redo for Rosalie. Alright, so how she never redo for Rosalie if it mess up?
Exactly.
Here one, number one, Rosalie have a 3-day event. She said Rosalie has stayed 13 days. Rosalie have a big statement how much money she make off of TikTok. She said Rosalie make £2,000 a year, which are like Jamaican, which are like 120 US a year. The woman mess up Rosalie big time.
That's why she should have redo it back then, Blinga.
Alright, so
woman
I'm
mess
just
up
some information what Stacey just said real. I mean she do it on purpose then.
Yeah, man, she should have given Rosalie a try.
The woman ate Rosalie long time and did a plan for Rosalie.
Because she watched Rosalie for the life of course the people them picnic.
Alright, look here. This not me not like you see when I entertainment. This when I fuckery, me not really like it fuckery. You see this is
Olita have the real paper and all the perps of the denial.
Onela.
Major facts why she was denied. And the 3 major facts is misinformation that the person who did the application submitted to the embassy.
Alright, so Stacey, make we reason. Alright, so Stacey, let us reason, Stacey. Even though she fuck her up, she can reapply again. What is the reason for not reapplying?
Exactly.
Because the woman not like Rosalie and
Rosalie don't can't realize for herself. Rosalie can't fill out the paperwork or nothing for herself and the woman not
the other girl could have fill out the paperwork either. One of favorite person could have fill out it neither. Because she didn't get turned down and then the lady re-put it. Look here.
You know, Miss Blinga can't cuss you. All mixed with the Rose.
Them not keep.
And later
true, yeah.
Mackerel and tell Mackerel she done so. Because she did have to help her.
Apply again a second time, feet.
Stacey?
Yeah.
The lady that fill out the paper did make one for the other person one and them resubmit it.
But then the resubmit Rosalie one. The woman, Rosalie told the truth to the woman and she have the screenshot them.
But
the woman that
Stacey, that's what Blinga is saying.
Alright, so Stacey, wait, let me reason with her. When did Rosalie get the news that she's not going to the UK? Was it last week before?
Me say about a week ago when Rosalie did fear fit
She said yesterday she get the news.
Yesterday she get the actual paper.
Alright,
but when she was asking the lady, listen keenly now, wait little. She said when she asked the lady week prior, she get ignorant for the woman and say, I am a man, give me back my passport then. And then after she asked back for the passport, Rosalie said the way the woman willingly gave her back her passport before she even get the denial paper. She knows that she not get it.
Rosalie can't cuss me because I need to live in a Rosalie big hole.
Alright, this more action of my people. Or I feel like say Rosalie should have put these people on put that person up on blast and the place where that person work for. Or I feel so? Tell me in the comment section, because definitely we feel like say she can put them on blast and mash them up if she want to do it, because I real something and I like something what she make up, because she have the evidence to prove say boy, you know what I mean, them people here do this, you see me, which was unprofessional and them sabotage her and keep her from making her money. You see me I say? So she putting them on blast, me feel like say, you see me I say, them woulda warrant that, she woulda warrant that, because what she do? You know what I mean? Make me know what you think.
And then me and Jake with the sis. Rosealee don't know nothing about me because Rosealee live at Sandcastle. So Rosealee for talk to me, and Rosealee favorite man in Cologne and Sweat. In a Rosealee house Mowley, she's supposed to lock with that night time. I want to nasty Rosealee. Rosealee can't call my name, and Rosealee not have no belly bottom, as fat as she be, she not have no shallow, she not have no flesh in her belly. I want the Rosealee. You know, sister, a cool kid alone, man, Rosealee. Rosealee can't talk to me with that two unwanted picnic. She go like a meter but the plane from England. Rosealee go suck your mother. Go name out your mother, Rosealee, not come bomb in the night, yeah. Out to Adam Brighty. With your 100 belly. Your belly favor $1 million man, man. Something more there for what Martin, you don't talking a keep conference by your belly. Dirty Rosealee. You can't argument with nobody. You go like a meter in your back of your dirty ways or your bad mind. Remember, say you're going to leave island bad with you curse. And you curse, you picnic them. That's why your little girl are your mates. Move your stinking self. Barber shoes, rubbing heel back. Yeah, barber shoes coming like a PLS in my advertise. I didn't make something for talk about. Yeah, come about me. When I do your Rosealee, after I do you nothing so cocky, yeah. Lick out, but you drink come now, beard. Eh? And you pick it with like a love. Yeah, go like a my fault shit. I'm my fault shit calling him to the High Commission. Eh?
Nah, Mariah Carey is good, man.
Me never know say Rosealee o'clock. I show me up on the road to them, my phone now. My phone mash up.
Yeah, bro.
My phone not working, it mash up. I was up on the road for the internet. Me never know say so cocky Rosealee talk to me. When I'm GX the cocaine balls. Eat body Rosealee. Rosealee we want on sodomite and don't know where Batman wash up them hood in your mouth and your own. Come suck me. Come suck out the tardiness out of me.
Oh, you bought the person with 7. 6 or 7.
Yeah, go like me make them deny you. A Raja.
No.
Raja make sure go eat with you. Raja walk with aisle. A Raja obey you. And call the name to the promoter. Raja. Yeah, come home me so cocky.
Take the quick no what. Take the quick no. Some people don't know that yet. Some people don't know that. Well, if you say I hate it, so you don't get to the mouth. Some people don't fight that. Yeah. Big one. You know, we need to...
Yeah, I'm shit now, babe. What you do? Yeah, come home me. Again, come home me. I pay the me wear. No come home me. Jeans day, don't come by me.
Yeah, I don't want no bed, man. See the bed thing, makes me.
We know what the she. We catch flight, not feelings. I don't. I've been in people see queens so through them shine. Oh. And yeah, come by me.
Maybe tomorrow. Okay.
No come by me, I'm older. Oh, are you alone and suck your mate off a GX older?
I'm thinking maybe tomorrow.
Are you alone and your mate crutches off of your man cocky? So no come by me, Rosealee. Go clean up your mouth, that's why your tongue white and your ring are rusty. Oh, your mate bleaching cream and rust your tongue ring cause you suck her off of your man older. I don't know how your grocery are split in a two like Mountain View, JLP and PNP. I don't know. I just don't know. And yeah, come home. Didn't you say Rosealee that customer to that we're busy I walk a look at Rosealee.
Rosealee, get you off of the vacation.
After vacation you catch me. Yeah.
I wanna take look now.
Right now we're busy. Right now you alone me see Taps and Roses now make it visa. And you're gonna come in, stop your flight from England, it's Shay. God believe me, Shay. Shay and Raja. Yeah. Anyone you want to use? Shay and Roger, you combo me. Don't combo me stinking Rosalie. Go get a wet map and wipe out underneath your bed so your people them can dream in the living room. I mean, don't know how much bedroom you have because I can't understand how bed in a living room. Is that a sofa? Is that a sofa I'm asking?
And then a pull out.
And then a pull out. And a drawstring. Rosalie, but that bring out England for me and that take out your feelings for me, Rosalie. Remember say you alone a try lose weight and I realize say you're full of sleeve. You're full of sleeve. All of them have to go surge.
Yeah, Rosalie, make them cancel the show. What the TV show name? What your exit come on?
Yeah, the TV show name again, the TV show so
yeah, where you lose weight, go like
oh, the fattest loser. Yeah. Out to bust sweat. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, come home me thinking, Rosalie. Thank you, my baby. Yeah, come home. What do you nasty, Rosalie? If you ever make me see Jake, say, make me buck him around. Yeah. Auntie make the water choke me. Oh, shush, my baby. So you're too tight. You're too tighter than your old man.
Yeah, somebody say losing it.
Yeah.
Them know it.
Rosalie, I lose it. Literally.
People, if you don't see a before TikTok with Rosalie, you don't see Rosalie no miss a meal after TikTok. You see me I say, and with the situation with her, you know, my people, and the UK thing, I feel like say Rosalie hurt because me see on live I question the people them what him fi buy. You know what I mean? When she a go the UK, like for instance, she a wonder if she should buy her cigarette them or if she can get it at England. You know what I mean? So right now that I know her problem. You see me? Because you know if you buy a cigarette because you know where to go. You know what I mean? And definitely a sabotage that my people. All the blind man can see say yo, that woman you know like Rosalie and she make sure say, you know what I mean, Rosalie no get through. Because as a person, as an agent, them know everything what to do. And Rosalie being the first time applicant, you know what I mean, she wouldn't know what is what. So me hear people say she dunks and this and that. You know, being a first time applicant, you don't really know the ropes like that. You see me I say? So the person, it's the person, you know what I mean, make you know what is what and rare. So them set her up for fail, people. Me not like.
And the leader of the show.
Remember she?
Yeah, cry over the promoter will turn your back. But you want to go to England, you want to travel for how much hours? Like, who you want to put beside? Who you want to put beside Rosalie? Then there's like when your baby is supposed to feel good.
You know, revive myself.
Oh God, I'm gonna look good today. Eh? I'm gonna look like a clean today now. But watch that. Try this. You know what she did when you go?
I must have big XXXXXX.
Anything she put on, she got favor farm worker. Rosalie look like she got foreign go run down there.
And she don't go put on the red wig?
She could never put on the red wig. Could never. Is it? Somebody say my skin clean, me I work on her.
Nah, you just down there, but I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah. Jeans day every day. Custom made jeans. Who for link up? You see me look like Jayden for link up with Rosalie? You see me look like Jayden?
Oh, Uncle Lincoln.
Yeah, come. See me look like Jayden for link up with Rosalie, you know, make me this year. You know, Marjorie used to cook food and cook food. Her son on taxi, Marjorie. When I stay from I know Marjorie who first one used to run taxi and she used to cook food. Hey mix up girl. Hey mix up girl. When I stay from I know Marjorie. Who is Marjorie? You see me walk on nyami if you know Marjorie cook food and her son run taxi. You see me walk on nyami. Hey girl, I last time phone over here so. Yeah, go like over here so last time phone. Yeah, come ask me about Marjorie. Marjorie, I take your man. Yeah, I take Marjorie's son. And Marjorie's son no why you. My friend come at the Airbnb. Yeah, Marjorie she gone and I like beautiful pay man. I like beautiful pay up JP start reading Instagram for the holiday. And I like beautiful pay people. She be up late after me no older than the internet. Yeah, people say I'm up late. Like you used to be older than the internet. I'm not older than the internet really. She be look tired, can I not stop drinking? I drink from there. Let me have some more NC in here so. What on there? We should have get jerk pork in you know. No, I forget the curry crab. No, Saturday. I shall make some okra for the head. Look like tomorrow I'm going to steam 2 fish. I'm going to steam 2 fish and soak the bone in it. I'm going to steam 2 fish, people. And soak the bone in it. Funky cheese. That depends on the body, you're supposed to know. I remember you suck your with the calcium.
Oh my god.
Lady, love me. Eh? Oh, you reach so late. And I tell you, I depend on the North course. I depend on the North course. Not course, not course. Yeah. I'm at work now, babes. Who this babes me up? How can I start my relationship this on the app? Eh? Who this spell my name with K-I-E? Little girl. Eh? Keith Sabrina, what's up? Which Sabrina this? Which Sabrina this? Eh? Which Sabrina this? Sabrina from where? William Nib? She a course she be that I wanna give. She have a course tonight. Which Sabrina this? Answer faster. Why Anthony Chef in a gone to bed yet? You know don't cook. And they can cook for beach trip. We just love you, babe. Thank you. You don't cook, but just come off the road. I just come from country. Yeah. One shibi never two, if it be two. Yeah, boss mode shibi. And that them say love you auntie, love you too my darling. I love you so much. So much. My friend is here. This big old individual is here with me. You understand? She used up my bathroom water. Yeah, she be me now like Rose sit down by your name. She's supposed to sit down by my name when God bless. Rose have to talk about the blessing, the goodness of Jesus and all that he has.
So many people, we're going to go over to Red Ants and Anna, you know. You see me? Yeah, we'll go over there now. Well, it's a little bit more Shibana, and then we'll go over Red Ants and Anna and hear what them talk about. You see me pertaining to Annie and her lies them what she been telling, and a serious one here where she come see her daughter line up man for analyze her. So okay, watch a little bit more Shibana and then go over this.
Done for me. My soul cries out hallelujah, thank God for saving me. We were supposed to stop by my name. We were supposed to talk about me. Eh? We were supposed to drag our country, go buy a friend, Rose and come back in. Rose can't do that. Sabrina from Franklin Town and I breathe that. I just leave bread the bar and I breathe that. She be when you act so decent. Cause I'm married, me engaged. So me have to act decent. Me I try fit in my wedding dress.
It's your money. You should go back to yourself, man.
Rose say me for find a pic with Uli in her mouth when Rose a suck. Let me tell you this, all of Rose food them when she suck the boy them never have no phone. Remember pay madman who Rose suck. Rose a go like she used to take delicacy. Then you can't hear homeless have phone. Make Rose go on, a whole heap of palette no Rose hold her mouth. Whole heap of palette. Remember that star spread out fan, whole heap of palette. Remember in a one star ticket letter for you them in a Rose. One yeah? Rose don't have no belly button but she dash her belly. Rose don't have no belly bottom. None. Rose can't argue with nobody. Rose have grip her muscle. She can't make cocky box shuffle. Talk short. I want a nasty Rose. I want a stinky poo. Rose dusky, husky, musky, and all frozen. I don't argue with Rose. Oh, Rose if I pick them one wipe, I want to show Camille upon them two shine. Every time I see I pick them, I feel like me a slide. Tell Rose if I go build a relationship with her daughter. Her daughter go try find love in a man. Then she be asking me eyes them shut in her. Then I see her. Oh cocky box shuffle. Then come here good as from you suck you never tied your job on them yet since you old slack. Since you old slack you never tied your job on them yet and squeeze cocky. You never squeeze cocky with your up and your lower jaws.
I'm going like an amity.
You never go like your candy with a wow. You never pull up your teeth and you go like an elevator. You gotta ask about oh cocky box shuffle because remember you have no grip in your hole, you know. Your hole should have band with that hand in it, right band with teeth. And should have in your hole, anything come it grab it. Big up to all of the girl with the grab bag crutches.
The two of them sit down and a plan. Me I tell you that because the two of them live close across. Remember, when me did up on the live, she said that she could not show the messages because the person I got do her things. Thank you. The person that got do her things, she cannot show the message, she have to hide it. Right? So, if she couldn't show the message, why she wait until me come off of the live to show the message to Uno? She use her head for Uno and draw for the mother card countlessly. She use her head for y'all. She and the youth I use the whole of Uno. I no see it. The fact that say she did not report it to the station. She not got a station about it because in other term any mother would have reported to the station. As she said, the people she man they in her community and the man go do her things if she show the message and she show the message same way just for showing us her head she use. Her head she use, brother. Her head she use per Uno. Along to the fact after this, you see after this year so the workout, them are go after another method. The method is to use me to build yourself. Anything they can find to come out and say Anna do this, even if they can make it up, them a come out can do it. Uno sick for yourself. Say this now go resolve. It a go be back and forth on the internet. If Father God, if nothing did go so, you would have go to the nearest police station and you would have report it. You wouldn't come on the live. Sorry, babe. You wouldn't come on the live. A fake cry. A fake cry. Because when you force tears, your head hurt you. You fake cry because you know what you do. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. No, wrong message. I'm not playing a match, sorry. Me not playing much. Look here. Look here. You see how easy it is? You see how easy it is? You see how easy it is to manipulate the crowd? You just have to have sense. You see, me have to tear that up. I like wig. You see how easy it is? She used her head.
Moderator, if them are
She used her head per uno. Remember, she said the person sent the message on WhatsApp. She cannot show the person number and disclose the person information. When me dep on the live and I asked her to show me, she said she cannot show me the message. She disconnect and disrespect me and laugh.
Hold on. I'm that girl. You want to know if we got station, you will never know that.
Little while after, she dep on the live and show everybody the message because she used her head per uno. She used her mind. She and the guy used her head per uno. If this a situation gonna work out, if this a situation gonna work out, you know what them a go do? The video where them say the guy say them a go post. The video where the guy then say them a go post that are the next alternative to use on the internet for creep up some kind. Use on a head no man. Use on a head.
Why she never do it over YouTube?
Exactly. Because she know when she are after.
She come and see money where they say money sweet her.
So she know if she put on a show, the people will come and support the show.
Yeah, and that's it.
The guy in panic too. Kaima tries to create up some kind. Me just say, me see the whole thing. Me just have to go over it again because
no business about the next nigga.
Me depend the live. Me depend the live, right? Daniel said to add her because resolve the situation. She said that she cannot show me the message because it's going to put her life in problem. And it's going to put her kids' life in problem because the guy is an income from there. Right? She said she cannot show the message when we add.
Alright, Anna and Annie. Although now mother and daughter, we feel like she are full time now. For two hours, meet up and have it out. Yes, one of you fight. Yeah, I saw me see it. I decided to reach her now. Get it out now. Because we don't have no respect for each other. We don't love each other. It don't look so. So we can't fight one another. You see me? Because all of these things we want to say about each other on social media, me don't know if I make it up or a real thing. But I feel like say the people them tired of the fuckery now, man. Big woman thing. People wanna make me know what they think because these two been going back and forth for the longest while. And I don't know if a joke thing, you know, or a real thing. Because some serious allegation make and it not look like a joke. But tell me what you think.
We add her on the live and we did the attack. And she said she cannot show the messages. She cannot show the person profile or the person number which she did see on WhatsApp. Now she come over and she did on the live and play a little match them or something. And she says so the crowd dead dog, she draw feet and say she will show the messages. She says she will show the messages.
She called her privately. Hey, come out live.
Oh yes. Me a figure it. Guys, me a sleep. Remember, me a sleep. Remember, when me dep on the live, she say she go inbox me and send me the message then because she cannot show it online. Right? Because of booms and even at the time text the number and say me ready, send me the messages. She still they panic, I play a little match and something. Right? Then she show the messages, brother. You know, see a mind game she use, bro. Because if in a serious situation like this, as a mother, you take it up with the police. Because they said the kid's life will be in a danger if you show the messages. Yeah. You would have go to the police and report it. And then all of a sudden, you dep on the live and you start show the message them. which anybody can text themselves and block themselves. You said the message was on WhatsApp and you cannot show the person's number or their profile picture. You're using your head.
But number one, she said too. Wait. She said the person come to her and then she said the person call her and then she said the person send her the voice note them what you send. And now a message. Come like you not hear everything.
We listen again. Why told me that day? What you made it?
I said the woman, but she said she called, the person come to her in person, so the person send her a voice note, and then a TikTok message she can show.
No, I did this. Wait, my people have come back.
I can't say that slow that and do your right thing. Right thing is doing everything in silence. Silent beats are the only thing that my people over here so far just hear what you have to say and then bring back and forth and thorough mix up and then go over there and say you said this and you said that for your mother, rise up and chat and then come back and say you said this and you said that and then you say you said this and you said that. That is just the media, bro. These motherfucking people that on the life are watching not even give a fuck about them. If you're not dead or not living. That's the way to and people well they get blocked there. A TikTok message, everybody knows a TikTok message what you say a WhatsApp.
Listen, she did say a WhatsApp message and she can't show the person profile picture. When me depend the match. She said she can't show me because me I try to set up her life.
Yeah.
In the case she would have set up her own life. She set up her own life, her head she use. She could have showed the message just like how she did on the live, but who not show the message for mix up. She showed the mix up the message to mix up her entertainment when she told me that she was going to send me the message because she can't show nobody would have put her life in a problem.
The person come from our community.
So she said the text message was on WhatsApp. Me said block it out. Block it out with the and show me. She has said to stop my life and jump down.
But when message she go over there, her life go down to about 400 people.
Before she showed the message. Exactly. Then again, right? In a case like this, if your daughter set up or allegedly said that, you would take it to the authorities.
Yeah, not to the internet.
Not to the internet, because you come on the internet and disclose it and say the person, you know the person and the person come from the community, the person I go do me things and you make sure this and that. When you disclose it on the internet and I tell people that I allegedly said that I want to analyze her and expect it now go in a police hands. Therefore the person I got brought forth. Sorry. This is not what I'm just much. No, I don't know. No, she asked me.
Listen, this really. Anybody knows what she has to say after.
Oh, okay. Okay. But you don't take nothing for see what she do. It's simple. She come on the internet and she was crying saying that they say I'm going to pay a man to get her analyzed.
So you call him?
I call the person and she has proof. I asked her to show.
Alright my people, so you know what we are going to do? We are going to end this right here so because the video too long you know. See? So we are going to end it right here so my people. So here we go on. Anna, if your mother don't want to take it to the officers them, you take it to them. Simple as that. That's all me have to say on that. My people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I believe me did have something else. Me did have mackerel of this Rosealee. And me I go put a little piece here, so. Yeah, me I put a little piece and then end it, because me no want left out none.
Me never know say me and Reynolds Entertainment own up a blood clot England embassy. That's them a sabotage you, and that's blood clot. Me a sabotage. Girl, my business but you know. The paper, the name the way I write down on parchment paper. You never did know if I ask the Obia man say if you did go England or not. The only part Obia them where you claim to say you work on the internet. Why you never go ask the dirty blood clot Obia man say if you never go England or not? A girl don't make sense of blood clot foreign. You can't pull no crowd. You don't fit like me and the rest of the way. You fit? Answer that. You fit? You can't pull no crowd. Eh? You fit? Mama no fit. You can't hold a stage for half an hour, 15 minutes. Now select and know how we know. You know no tune. Nothing but you know. Nobody know what here. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat. You don't have none else, girl. No, nobody know what here. Do this and beat. Do what? Do what? Do what and beat you? Do what? Take my lick and beat you? Show with dirty horse and beat you? We don't have dirty horse. I know the girl over here say nah, have no man to beat them. TikTok watch me that look fear. What if you do and beat you? That's what I go England go say. Tell me some of the things that we remember, you know, I can't go to England and say, people man nice and comfortable. When I go in a girl level, I can't even say that. I can't go, I saw me sit up by your man body. I saw me sit down and turn to it. I saw me, we don't need them rice and I will. My mama have it. My mama can go two boom, I can go boom flip, I can go poop on it out, I can't dance. Clap that. I can go split, I can go roll, I can go roll up, I can do many things. Things that you can't do, baby girl. Those things say you're in a kind of a competition with a retarded girl. Those things say you and a retarded girl, they're in the same league. Girl, levels to this, my blood clot. Levels. Remember all of my come say England, walk one. Shell that you couldn't do that. Run out of breath in the blood clot like what they when you go for beat your mother. As you go out there, say you come again with me. You know see how long me a cut me a rain me a blame me. I'm nah shut up breath in the blood clot. Go argue with Jakes. But you know, so retarded that just cause him pick you up for fuck you. And that's the retardedness there. Then I argue with the click no life and come a blood clot. That's why I'm glad say me first did come say me not like you. That's why I'm glad say me come blood clot say me not like you. We don't have the ambition. We don't have the progress. When you think of a blood clot embassy, anybody will never get Rosealee the visa or they do a great thing, protect on the country at all costs. And anything what the woman write on the paper, you did a great thing. Go clean a dirty house. Yeah. Anything what the woman write on the paper, and she did a great job. Go clean a dirty house. But oh, you put in. But oh, you give the woman the passport from January. Girl, it take 3 weeks for come back. Why you never go put him back? Why you never go pay your money? Remember when that girl every day and walk and beg like a dog? On the beg for bed, on the beg for every blood clot thing. Everything on the bed for what you have to take him money and buy cigarette and special. Why you never go put in by the application? Why you never go use a different travel agent? Why the blood clot you think they can come bring down the woman business? Go bring down the man we are beating. You couldn't bring down Reynolds Entertainment a blood clot.